Hello, Chef Kevin.
Hey, Chef David.
Hey, and hello, viewers. Welcome back to the AI Chefs. We're back in the kitchen, and I have a recipe here today. Are you ready for this one?
I am very ready. Go for it.
Okay, this is our leftover lasagna. I think before in the show we've had a layered lasagna, but this is a leftover lasagna. And just, I love this because once again, it's just eliminating a step in my process that if I had an intern, I would hire them to do, a manual step. And the step is pulling everything together. I want to give a project update. Let's say I have a client and I'm working on a video. We're doing a webinar
Right.
series, and there's emails back and forth, and there's stuff in chat, and I have some notes, and there's all these different things. And what I usually would do is I'd sit down on my desk and I'd read all the emails, and I'd look at all the notes, and I'd look at all the meeting summaries. Right? We have our meeting summaries, and I'd look at all the chat messages, and then I would sit down and I would go to ChatGPT or Gemini and say, okay, here's what's going on. I need to pull together a meeting, a project summary, and I would manually update the LLM. But what you do with your leftover lasagna is you throw all the leftovers into the LLM. You cut and paste. Here's an email. Here's an email. Here's an email. Here's some chat messages. Here's some notes. Here's some of this. Here's some of that. Throw it all in the pot. Or what I've been learning with Gemini, if I type at Gmail, I forgot the exact command. It looks in my email. Copilot could look at your email. Zoom AI Companion can look in your emails and chats and all that kind of stuff. So you
Yeah.
could just tell it, pull in, pull in my leftovers. You do the work. Put it all in not the pot. I guess it's a pan if it's a lasagna, and get it together and make my leftover lasagna. What do you think, Chef Kevin?
I think that's great. I think that's great that you explained how to do it if you don't have one of those kind of integrated things. As you pointed out, if you have Zoom AI Companion, it's connected to all the data sources, and same thing with Copilot. ChatGPT, as you said, you can connect it. If you got the connector, then you can do, the commands. But if you don't, it's easy. You can just, as you say, drop everything in, as you correctly noted, the pan as opposed to the typically a 9 by 13 pan. You have to
Oh,
grease it. I just made lasagna, so there you go. If you don't grease it, it's a pain. So,
aren't you
but
aren't
that's a
you
great.
metric? I thought Canada was metric.
I know, but 9 by 13 pans, it's just like there's certain things that just hold over, even though Canada is metric. So, but that's a great tip, Chef David. Thank you for sharing.
All right. Well, let us know in the comments if you're using this one or if you're using any similar prompts. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tip.